Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support my videos. If you're new to my channel, my name is Belinda Oyugi. We're going to be cooking on 3 stones. Now let me show you. Here, these stones were used some time back, and now you're just gonna try to make them nicely full of charcoal, and this had been rained on. So we need a stone. What type of a stone? Hii inapasuka. Hii sitapasuka tu.
Woman of steel. How do you just break? Kata Yesu no break, no break. Friend from where? To harm.
We get a stronger stone. Where do you want us to go?
We go near the tank.
Okay.
Imagine shipping food from this end. What if someone falls?
What about shipping stones from this end?
Shipping stones is easier than
Are you sure? Try shipping that one.
See, we are carrying one stone to your back.
Don't know, I think it's easier shipping the stones. Okay.
What do you think? Then may the stones stay.
Kwanza itachafua pale. Vile vile lokuti.
Chingma, inema poditi. Alending aongenya. Tiwa no ruwake sindeni.
How big are the sufurias?
Sufurias are big.
They're big? Kuro kikadi kendo.
Kidia imba. Sufuria donge nene. Karaibu yonge teke lweti. Tiri, tosera go. I don't know market ndinya kata goya.
I don't even touch much.
Yumchape.
Yawa.
Nini bro me call to adomi. Chwada for.
It's okay this way.
Yeah.
Good. So
okay, good. This can even serve as charcoal.
Easy. They are very light. As easy. They are already burnt.
Periodic table.
Wasi cha kusoma periodic table. Form 2. See ni copper. See ni copper, see ni calcium. See ni CO.
Carbon. CO mapani ni carbon. CO ni.
Mbona CO2
ni? CO ni carbon monoxide.
CO2 ni carbon dioxide.
Sasa unajua hizo sasa si elements.
Yeah. Monoxide ni mono ni CO ya. Alafu di ni 2. CO2. So I can still remember.
Sodium Na. Alafu AR ni argon.
Periodic table ka dhi piny kono to kendo koro siwezi kumbuka. Ka dhi piny mar table kono.
Beryllium.
Ba. Ukisonga huku chini.
Mara nyingi bia konyo wengi mwa sana. Konyo wakata mate.
Mama pinyoka.
Oduona.
Koro hapa. Angalia kama ng'ich. Iolo nini kanye? Buru mar ituko.
Kagol.
Okigol. Jiko moro cha dong gi buru. Machielo. Ng'iane kelwal. Ineno kaka lobni ng'ich. Oko deli. Sije utaka zinaweka ndani. You first put small firewood, the light ones first. Then that's enough.
Kama hadithi
Oh my god. Put more firewood. Put bigger ones now. So here I want to prepare some, I think it's porridge.
Baba, enda leta sukari. Leta sukari. Don't run. Sawa? Tembea.
The component of the porridge, there's sorghum. Sorghum.
Yeah.
Cassava. Groundnuts. Soya. What else? Millet.
Amaranthus.
Amaranthus. What is that?
That is the seeds of mchicha. For those who do not know what mchicha is, those seeds.
I know. I don't know what that's called.
Oh.
Personally, I don't know what that is. What else? Maize? No maize? Rice? No rice. Okay. So it's brownish. What makes it brown? Is it the cassava? Or
The millet. The millet and the sorghum.
Almost ready. It's boiling. How long should it boil?
15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's
Why?
going to be consumed by the baby.
Like why that long?
It needs to be well cooked for the sake of the groundnuts.
Oh, for the sake
the
of
soya
groundnuts and the soya beans. So the
Yeah.
soya beans also take long.
Yeah, they take long.
What about cassava?
Cassava, no. Cassava
Not
is
really.
just fine.
Even millet is
Easily
okay.
cooks when it's grounded.
Oh, okay. Great news.
Grounded. I don't know.
Ground.
It's ground. The groundnuts were raw. They were not cooked, so that's why it needs a bit of time.
Yeah.
For it.
Oh, the groundnuts were not cooked.
No, they were just
They were not
sun-dried.
roasted.
Just sun-dried.
Alright. This is not that hot. I hope the sugar is enough. Our porridge is ready. Just holding it that way. Don't try holding like this at home. This is just for me. So we pull this one because we start with the kids. They drink this one that is left in the sufuria because it's cooler than the other one. Just this way, and then it cools down. Then you serve it in cups. You can remove these ones so that you don't waste fuel. Don't waste fuel. Most of the time we touch with our hands. We're used to this. We enjoy our porridge. Done.
Andesha. Junior, Andesha.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to this end. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Until we meet again in the next video. Bye.